Hi, I am PixelPia. Today we are going to continue looking at the TikTok app, and we're going to focus on the layout and the interface of the app so you get familiar with where things can be found. So here we are at the home screen, and down here you can see the little house is filled in. That means we are at the home screen. This is a video that I just paused. As you can see, I can click on it again and I can pause it. I paused it so we can see what we have on the screen. Up here it says for you. That is TikTok showing me different videos that they think I might like. We have following. I haven't followed any accounts yet, so there is nothing there for me. And then we have the search. If we look to the right here, the first symbol is the account we are looking at right now. The little red plus here means that if I hit that, I am subscribed to this account. If I click on the account itself, it takes me to this account. Under here is the heart. That's where I click if I like it. I can also take my like back. Underneath that we have this little speech bubble. That is where I can leave a comment or read other people's comments. And then we have the arrow here. That means that I can share it either with a person or on another social media. Under that we have this little vinyl. That means that there is music used with this video from the TikTok archive. Now let's take a look here. This Sherry by Bryant means that they have used a specific filter for creating this. If I click on that, we see the filter here and we see all the videos that have been created using this filter. And at the bottom you see try this effect. So if I click try this effect, you see that the effect is on right now. You see it down here. But if I click it off, you see it changes color. Now it's on, now it's off. Then we have the name of the person in the account. And this blue little check mark means that they are verified by TikTok. This is a known TikTok person. Now I can scroll down. And I have all the audio on these TikToks muted because you can't use the TikTok music if you create a video and add music like down here. You can't use that on other platforms. That's why it is muted. Now let's go down here. This was, as I said, the home. Let's click on the next one, discover. And I showed this shortly when I did my first video on Monday talking about what other things you can find on TikTok. The plus sign I will come back to. We jump over that for now and go one step further to the inbox. This is when someone either subscribe to my account maybe or leave me a comment depending on how I have my settings that I talked about in yesterday's video, which I will have linked down below if you missed it. All messages coming to me will show up here. And then we have the profile. If you click on the three little dots, you have creator tools here, or you have settings and privacy. Everything you publish will show up here. Let's talk about the plus sign. This is where you create your videos. All of that will be topics for next week's tutorial. How you can create your own TikToks, videos. Tomorrow, I want to talk about how you can train your TikTok app to show more of the things that really interest you and less of the things that you don't want to see. Hej då!